Have you ever noticed something strange about jealousy? Sometimes people don't get jealous because you show off. They get jealous because you don't. Because the human mind doesn't react to what it sees. It reacts to what it imagines. Jealousy is not born from your success. It is born from their insecurity. And today, I'm going to reveal 7 dark psychology secrets that silently trigger jealousy in almost anyone, without you ever bragging, fighting, or explaining yourself. These are the same techniques used by powerful people, celebrities, and silent winners. They don't compete, they unsettle. Let's begin. Our secret 1, the power of emotional distance. Nothing confuses the human mind more than sudden emotional distance. When you stop reacting, stop chasing, stop explaining, people start imagining. Did I lose importance? Did they find someone better? Why don't they care anymore? The mind hates uncertainty. The moment you become emotionally unavailable, your value increases in their head. Not because you changed, but because their access to you changed. Distance creates curiosity. Curiosity creates obsession. Obsession creates jealousy. The more peaceful you look without them, the more their ego starts burning. Secret 2. Be calm where others would break. Nothing triggers jealousy like unshakable calm. When someone expects you to get angry, but you smile. When someone tries to provoke you, but you stay silent, their brain short-circuits because they wanted control over your emotions. Your calm tells them, I am above this. And nothing hurts an insecure mind more than realizing they can't affect you anymore. Your silence becomes louder than their insults. And slowly, they start feeling small in front of your self-control. Secret 3. Upgrade your life quietly. Never announce your moves. When you improve silently, new skills, better body, better mindset, better life, people don't get time to adjust. One day they suddenly notice, you're not the same anymore. That shock creates jealousy, because now they must face the truth. You moved forward, and they stayed behind. Silent growth hurts more than loud success. Or secret 4. Be hard to read. The human brain fears what it cannot predict. If you become emotionally mysterious, people can't guess what you're thinking. If your next move is unclear, they start overthinking. And overthinking slowly turns into insecurity. Insecurity turns into comparison. And comparison turns into jealousy. When people can't read you, they start measuring themselves against you. Our secret 5. Give attention, then take it away. This is one of the darkest psychological triggers. When someone gets used to your presence, your validation, your energy, and suddenly you reduce it, their brain panics. Did I do something wrong? Am I not important anymore? They don't miss you. They miss how you made them feel. And when that feeling disappears. Secret 6. Be genuinely happy without explaining why. Nothing destroys insecure people more than seeing you happy for no clear reason. Not showing off. Not proving anything. Just peaceful. They start searching for reasons. What changed? What do they have that I don't? Your happiness becomes a mirror. And insecure people hate mirrors. Secret 7. Stop competing. Start becoming. The moment you stop competing, you become unreachable. When you don't compare, when you don't argue, when you don't prove, you rise above the game. And when someone can't compete with you anymore, they don't fight you, they envy you. Jealousy is the language of people who feel left behind. Jealousy is not created by your success. It is created by their self-doubt. The more you improve silently, the more peaceful you become, the more unbothered you look, the louder their insecurities will scream. You don't need to destroy anyone. Just outgrow them.